All right, it started to drizzle, and so we kind of panicked there and got the tent down quick so that stuff didn't get too wet. So the trail came out by those trucks last night and continues this way. I'm actually running low on space on my phone. Look at that whole hill was like burned. Running low on space on my phone. So we're doing this dirt road walk to a paved road walk, which is the trail, and then back into some dirt roads and back onto the trail, as far as I understand. So we'll see what happens here with my video space and the rain. But here we go. Day 78 or 9. Yeah, 79. Okay. For the first time on the PCT, we are pulling out our rain covers because it's just a drizzle, but it's enough to make everything wet. All right, so a couple miles in, off of the dirt road now on a paved road, but making our way out to the actual like highway road. All righty, now we're out to the main road. So we just had to go like miles along a river because there's no bridge to cross it. So miles along the river, and now we're going back the way we came from. And we're going to cross a couple bridges. Here we are. We made it to the Seiad store and cafe. And it says closed, but it's open. We're going to go in and grab something to eat. Okay, cool. So this has a 5-pound pancake challenge for $18. If you can eat it in 2 hours, you get it for free. But we're not going to try that. We did just order plenty of food. And it has started to really rain out there. I don't know if you can see it. It's raining, and it's going to be raining for today and tomorrow. How many miles to the Oregon border?
38, 35, 38, something like that.
Let's just go like 40 miles in the rain today and get to the past the border. We'll see what happens after we eat. We got a huge climb out of here. Cafe and Seiad.
Seiad Valley.
Oh my goodness, I said that wrong too. Oh, it's Seiad? It is Seiad. Seiad Valley. Okay.
We said Seiad.
Oh, we said it wrong.
Okay, but here we have, what are your names?
I'm John Douthit. This is Barbara
Barbara
Beeler.
Beeler.
And what did we just find out?
I went to UNH.
Yay!
I lived in Deerfield, New Hampshire for years. I was apprenticed to a shoemaker.
Oh, amazing. So my parents have a place, we'll talk about that in a second, in Deerfield, New Hampshire. But awesome, nice to meet you. Were you the ones camping through the woods there? Oh, okay.
We were
You
the only other ones in there.
I know.
Yeah.
It was a bizarre place, huh?
Yeah.
So you're hiking a section?
Section Castello to Ashland.
Okay, cool.
But when I get to Ashland, all I will have left is the Sierra. So,
Nice. Awesome.
yeah,
So, how's Oregon and Washington?
spectacular.
I got a French toast sandwich, so French toast, 2 eggs, and bacon.
Nice. So we have a California omelet here. Look at this biscuit. That looks awesome. Coffee.
I also got a California omelet.
Nice choice.
Sourdough bread, and then I got a stack of pancakes, and then I also got biscuits and gravy that are coming. Stack of pancakes, sausage.
Nice. So we met this couple from Etna, and you own the bakery there, the coffee shop, restaurant?
Wildwood Crossing.
Awesome. It looked amazing. We weren't able to get there because when we were there it was closed, but
Yeah.
Anyway, you had heard.
Holidays we take off.
That's good. Good for you. And you had heard we were hiking?
Yeah. Heard it through the grapevine. It's truly amazing.
Thank
It's a
you.
big accomplishment. You guys will be able to write that on your resume for the rest of your life.
Good job, boys. Yeah, it's awesome. It's fun to come into these towns and meet local people. It's awesome. We're learning all about the cows over here. I got one that's interested.
They're fine.
Okay, because this is awesome. The Seiad Cafe. This is just fun. If you're ever in the area, definitely stop in here.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's awesome. Thank you.
sweetie. Who wants some?
You feeling that?
Come on.
Because they didn't have enough?
Oh, they need it. They are growing boys.
Right, here we go out of Seiad Valley. Back to the trail. This is the trail. Back to the woods or dirt road or something. All right, so thankful that it is not raining at the moment. This is so pretty. Just walk along this road, headed back to the trailhead. This is actually the trail though. All right, so we're working on this climb out of Seiad.
Yep.
And it's drizzling on us. Yeah. Not too bad. The rain, it had let up. It was kind of spitting. Now it's kind of drizzly. So let's keep moving. Too bad it's cool and rainy. That's a nice little pool.
We could have used this on 100-degree days.
Yeah. Here's our view. Rain clouds. So there's trail with a spur trail to water, which I'm not sure if we need or not. Made it here to this junction. Continue that way. How many miles to the border?
21.
Woo! Let's do it. All right, so we're still here at this junction. This wasn't going to be a long stop, but anyway, this is Blouse, right? Yeah.
Blouse.
From South Carolina?
Yep.
Okay, trying to do Triple Crown, calendar year Triple Crown. And I think
Being silly.
you're going to do great.
I hope so.
It's pretty, but it's a little overgrown, and so we're getting wet. It's rain's drizzling down on us, and all of these shrubs that are overgrown are soaking wet. So that's how it is today. I gotta put the phone away because I don't want it to get wet, but here's where we are for now. And when it's not raining too hard, I'll give updates. Here's a view real quick. This is pretty cool. You can see the road down there. Here's where we're going. So there's marble. I believe this is marble. Marble in these hills. Right?
Yeah.
Right. It's pretty.
Okie doke. We've gone 5.2 since the last dirt road. Cool little sign here. Ranch Spring 5 miles to the right and then north. We're about to go 4.2 miles to a dirt road where we're gonna sit down and we're gonna take our break. So yeah, this is a pretty cool little spot around here. Like, open up there, wooded down there. It's cool.
It's kind of neat, like, we keep crossing these fields now. What are these called? Meadows. Meadows. And then sort of back into the woodsy, alpine-y area. And then we're out on a ridge all of a sudden, but there's just fog. Still drizzling on us a little bit. Not too bad. This break is over. Our fingers are not working very well. It's cold. We're going to get moving again. The rain actually let up at the moment, so that's good news. We're going to get moving and warm up. There's a little overlook. We're kind of liking these woods here. It's like woodsy, but kind of nice and open as well.
Second.
Snow. There actually were bigger patches of snow, but not on the trail, on the sides. But there's definitely still little bits of snow around. You can see that in the woods. And I think I hear more cows ahead. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm totally loving this little stretch of trail here. And I'm hoping that this is what Oregon is like. Minus the blowdowns. I hope this is what Oregon is like. I gotta find those cows. I can hear them. So we're walking along the trail. It's foggy. And there's a toilet. This is really bizarre.
Is this an actual, like, do people use this?
I don't know. Do you think there's a hole in the ground?
I'm
Or
scared.
is
Yeah,
it a
there's
joke?
toilet paper. It's just a ground. Pick up the lid.
Hey guys, check this out.
What the heck? What the? You gotta be kidding me. Is that a toilet?
So that's random and weird. I don't even understand why it's there. But look at you could go with a view if it were a nicer day or evening. So anyway, none of us used that.
It would be real awkward if someone walked.
Right. Yeah, that's true. It's like literally right next to the trail. Oh my
Not
gosh.
behind a tree.
That's funny and
It's like
bizarre.
right out in the middle.
Okay.
People actually use it. Yeah, like,
that's
there's a solid.
Right. There's a good chance someone's going to walk by if you do decide to use it.
If someone does, you just gotta wave and smile.
That's funny.
Wave and smile.
Oh yeah. That's cool. Final 10 miles of California.
Well, I'm on the final 6.5.
Okay, well now we're down to the final 6.5. But what I'm saying is, this final 10 miles of California has been good, minus the rain and the cold.
Yes.
It's raining on us. This is the tail end of California before it gets dark. This is awesome. Nice water source. Oh, yeah. You having some, E? Go ahead, give it a whirl. It's tasty. It's cold. It's nice. And we don't even have to take out our water bottle. Pretty good.
Good Wawa.
It is good, huh?
Yep.
Okay, continuing?
Continuing.
Here we go. Look at this trail is like
A mess.
soaked muddy mess. You guys don't slip. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it sinks. You sink.
I bet this trail was wet earlier today, but I don't think it was like this
No.
water.
And then we got some overgrowth.
There's water. Ay,
ay, ay. All right. Okay. Okay. So, shine your headlamp down a little. Okay, so we're about 0.15 from the Oregon border. Should we just stop here and sleep in California tonight?
Yeah.
yeah, probably should.
Yeah, no way.
Feeling pretty tired. Don't know if we can make it.
Does anyone have any final California thoughts before we get to the border? We'll talk more tomorrow, but just curious.
Big state.
Yeah, really long. Never thought it would end.
I didn't think I was gonna get through alive.
We've been waiting for this moment
For a long time.
for a long time. I hadn't really imagined what it would be like, but I definitely didn't imagine that we'd be doing it in the dark and on a rainy day.
No way.
That's kind of crazy. All right. Well, this is going to be one memorable 4th of July, boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have just hiked the state of California. Let's find the border sign in the dark.
They are.
Look at this, you guys. Ah, trail register. Trail register. Yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah, boys.
Look at this right here. This one.
Ha ha.
958 miles to Canada.
What? Less than 1,000. Yeah. How we feeling?
Excited. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. You guys, we just walked from the Mexican border the entire state of California.
Oh,
That is wild. Awesome.
That's good.
All right, let's check the register, then we'll take some
Here we
pics.
go. Here, try to knock all the water off.
Yeah.
The natural migration.
What?
What the heck?
What in tarnation? Okay,
Alright.
don't get it wet.
Expendable 7.4.
Is that today? That's today.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so first let's see who's the last person that came through. Jupiter.
Let's
All right, there
release
we
him.
go. Whoop, whoop, picked up. So Camp Host and...
Cinnamon just saw a mountain lion.
Ooh. What day was Cinnamon?
7-3.
So
Okay,
yesterday.
yesterday. Go ahead.
Nice and like good and
Sign
bacon.
us in. All right, so there it is. 7-4. Field trip. Campo to Canada. Here at the border.
Nice job.
Awesome job, boys. Let's take some pictures if we can. All right, nice job, field trip, 4th of July. Making it to the Oregon border. Is it Oregon or Oregon?
Well, depends if
All right, and I think this is good night from day 79.